So procurement planning and blending optimization process is very critical for the future of the beverages industry. If you look at beverages industry as a whole, some of the challenges that it is facing are around the demand fluctuation, the seasonality, and beverages industry, especially are dependent on agricultural product and which are perishable. That would mean you need to have an effective planning model to manage them. The agricultural products are available globally across different parts of the world. If you're taking tea, for example, it is grown in 17 different countries. If you're taking tomato, for example, it is grown all over the world. So different types of products are available differently, and there is a need for us to optimize these from different regions. Therefore, the supply chain optimization becomes much more critical. Then along with that comes both sustainability and environmental importance. So the way it is produced, pesticide-free, and good farming practices are also critical. So these are some of the challenges that are facing our beverages industry. So it is at this juncture, or this is why we believe at ICRON that an optimization tool is very critical to kind of manage all these challenges that the supply chain will be facing in the future beverages industry. For Lipton Teas and Infusion, the greatest impact ICRON made is in the speed at which it has managed to optimize the solution. We used to have an optimizer before, which are only optimizing for a single decision point. It used to take more than 3 hours. Right now, we are having multiple decision points getting optimized in less than 15 minutes. That's the biggest benefit. In the past 2 years of using ICRON rigorously, some of the key decision support that we have actually gotten is ICRON not just runs the solution and helps us decide what to buy, when to buy, and how to blend. It also helps us post-planning data and data crunching activities. So you don't need to spend time crunching a lot of data. It clearly tells you if at all there is a gap in your supply chain, where the gap is coming from, and what is the action that we need to take.